The Indian Pavilion opened at the Expo 2020 Dubai with cultural performances. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the large Indian diaspora during the inaugural ceremony of India Pavilion through a video conference. Piyush Goyal, Minister of Textiles, Minister of Commerce and Industry, and Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, inaugurated the pavilion on Friday. Goyal said, "Delighted to inaugurate the stunning India Pavilion at the Expo 2020 in Dubai. I invite the world to come and partner with India for driving the next phase of global growth. Visitors can enjoy the unique experience of art and expression with light, music and dance at the pavilion."
The India Pavilion at Expo 2020 Dubai is one of the biggest platforms that offers a golden opportunity to showcase India to the world and project the country as the next hub for growth and innovation. Nestled at the Al Forsan Park adjacent to the Opportunity District of the Expo 2020 Dubai, India Pavilion is created on the theme of openness, opportunity, growth. Under this, the pavilion will be focusing on 11 primary themes: climate and biodiversity, space, urban and rural development, tolerance and inclusivity, golden jubilee, knowledge and learning, travel and connectivity, global goals, health and wellness, food, agriculture and livelihoods, and water, each having a dedicated zone all underneath one gigantic roof. The facade of the India Pavilion, one of the largest pavilions at the Expo 2020 Dubai, will symbolize India on the move. Made up of 600 individual blocks, the facade will be using kinetic architecture, a mosaic of rotating panels that will showcase 75 stories about the history and literature of the country over 26 weeks. During the day, the facade will create different moving patterns to celebrate 75 years of India's independence. Every week, these patterns will take the shape of 3 stories of the 25 sub-themes. Evenings will see the facade turn into a vibrant show with sound, light and projections. Consisting of 4 floors, the India Pavilion will showcase latest technologies and create an ambient, futuristic environment with installations powered by augmented reality and projection mapping. As you enter the pavilion, you will walk into a starry tunnel that will transport you to outer space for you to witness India's journey into space. As you move further ahead, you will witness India's achievements in the health and wellness sector, highlighting India's vast history of Ayurveda and alternate medicine system. Showcasing India's art, culture, literature, cinema and cuisine from across 36 states and union territories.
The first floor will bring you to a world of mesmerizing projections and mirrors that present a kaleidoscope of India's colors and cultural vibrance. The second floor bears witness to India's bilateral partnership with the UAE and the plethora of opportunities that this partnership opens up. The third floor will open doors to the corporate India and its growing prowess in various sectors. Apart from various thematic sections, the India Pavilion also hosts an amphitheatre, conference rooms, state pavilions, restaurants, souvenir shops, and much more. Celebrating India at 75 and showcasing the achievements, diversity, and rich cultural heritage of the country, the India Pavilion is one of those few pavilions at Expo 2020 Dubai that will host numerous conferences, B2B meets, cultural programs, food festivals, online workshops, cinema screening, debates, and various competitions. Festivals of India that occur between 1st October 2021 to 31st March 2022 will be celebrated in all their glory and grandeur. The Indian Pavilion symbolizes pride, potential and power of Indian citizens living all around the globe. Please like, share and subscribe, and also please press the bell icon to get notification of our new video.